camo clips today. We're using the Camo Edge Clip and the X-Edege Clip to install this Trex Coastal Bluff decking. Check it out. Delivery!
Getting our Trex decking delivered. Excited to start this project.
Perfect. That's perfect. That's good.
Alright, getting all set up. First thing you have to do is install the outside board. So if you have to rip a board, it'll be on the inside. So you have to screw in the first board to get it set. You can either use plugs or color match screws. There are scallop boards here, so we had to use color match screws. And then from here we can use the Camo hidden fasteners. Please like and subscribe for more. I'd really appreciate it, guys. And check out this Camo fastener system. It's the best and fastest we've ever tried. Super excited to show you guys how this all works. You can set up multiple rows before you can screw them in, which makes it go way faster. And then here we're checking the line. So going forward, we're going straight all the way towards the house.
I bought some longer socks.
Hit that subscribe button.
Using a never miss guide makes it so much faster. I don't care what anyone says.
Never miss guide seriously makes it go so much faster screwing each screw, and you don't accidentally slip off the screw and hit the decking or anything like that. So I highly recommend that.
Camo Edge Clip and Edge X Clip.
So how they work is that you just put them over the joist like that. The Edge Clip works really well for one joist, and the Edge X Clip works really well if you have a double joist or an area that the horseshoe can't fit over. Once you have like 5 rows in, then you can use the Camo Lever right here to lock in those boards, and then you can screw them all down.
Make sure on your drill settings, depending on your drill, you want to set it either 1, 2, or 3. You don't want to crank it down to 8 because it'll strip through the board. Good?
Mm-hmm. Right? You don't even have to think then.
You don't.
Over and just go.
I'm glad you like it. Which clips do you like installing better? The X?
Another fast way to install without having to bend over is using the Camo Clip drive right here.
And come on, yeah. Thank you.
Next, we're installing the border around the deck. These will also be screwed down with color match screws. You can't use hidden fasteners. Next is ripping lines for the spine boards. You can use full boards as far as you can in sections, like 12 feet for instance. And then the spine board has a nice clean finish.
Alright, so we're installing our Trex Coastal Bluff. We installed a spine board here, and we're putting in color match screws every 16 inches on center because they're scalloped boards. You can't use plugs on scalloped boards.
Look at this amazing transformation to bring this deck back to life. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe for more home tips. I'd really appreciate it, and I hope you have an awesome day.